Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix low call volume on iPhone iOS 17. For example, when you try to call someone and you see that your iPhone call volume speaker is not providing much volume when you are calling to someone. So how you can fix that? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply manually increase your iPhone volume to maximum, and after that what you have to do, when you get a call from someone, you can simply again press volume up button, and you have to make sure that that's this volume button working properly. And if you have done all that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some time, and after that you have to turn it off again, and you have to check now your iPhone volume is working or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply click on Bluetooth and turn it off if you are using any kind of Bluetooth devices on your iPhone. If the problem is still there, what you can do is you go for the next step, which is as that you have to click on settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of accessibility here. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of audio and visual. And here what you have to do, you have to simply turn off the phone noise cancellation, and after that you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there after turning off the phone noise cancellation, then what you can do is you can simply go for iPhone update, which means you have to check whether you have latest iOS update or not. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on general, and after that you have to click on software update. And here what you have to do, you have to check whether any kind of new updates are available or not. If the updates are available, then you can simply go for the updates, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not, because many problem has been solved by the latest iOS version of the iPhone. If the problem is still there, what you can do is you can simply reboot or restart your iPhone or iPad. For this, you have to simply press and hold the power and low volume button, and after that you can simply turn your iPhone again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you can do, you can simply go for the iPhone Apple Sports solutions, and you can simply ask the question there, and you will get many solutions for your problem. In this way, you can simply go for the solution. If the problem is still there and you're not getting any kind of solution, you can also go for your phone cover, which means whether you have to check your iPhone phone cover is not having a problem while increasing your volume. And you can also go for cleaning of your speakers, and you can do all the settings to make sure that your low volume problem has been solved. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.